Hello and welcome everyone. Myself Bhagyashree. Today we are going to start our new topic, that is illustrations of CMA final paper number 15 study note number 2.2, that is transfer pricing. Okay, so today we are starting transfer pricing illustrations. Before solving illustrations, we have to understand what is transfer pricing. Okay, a transfer price is that notional value at which the goods and services are transferred between division in a decentralized organization. Okay, so transfer pricing is one of the tool in the hands of management for measuring the performance of division or the departments. ओके, सर ट्रांसफ़र प्राइसिंग उसके नाम में ही हम लोग को समझ में आता है कि क्या होगा। एक डिपार्टमेंट से या फिर एक डिवीज़न से दूसरे डिवीज़न में अगर हम लोग गुड्स या फिर सर्विस ट्रांसफ़र कर रहे हैं तो वो कौन से प्राइस पे किया जाता है, उसको ट्रांसफ़र प्राइसिंग बोला जाता है। ओके, इफ़ वी आर ट्रांसफरिंग गुड्स और सर्विसेज फ्रॉम वन डिवीजन टू अनदर डिवीजन, so that a particular price is called as transfer price. Transfer pricing policy is helpful to analyze or to measure the performance of division or the departments. ट्रांसफ़र प्राइसिंग की वजह से क्या होता है ना कि हम लोग परफॉर्मेंस मेजर कर सकते हैं वो पर्टिकुलर डिवीजन का और या फिर पर्टिकुलर डिपार्टमेंट का हम लोग परफॉर्मेंस मेजर कर सकते हैं। ओके, सो दिस इज़ द बेसिक मीनिंग ऑफ ट्रांसफ़र प्राइसिंग. So basically, if we are transferring goods and services from one division to another division or else from one department to another department, that price at which price we are transferring, that price is called as transfer pricing. So we have to keep this meaning in mind for solving the illustrations. So first of all, we will solve illustration number 47. Your company fixes the inter-divisional transfer prices for it's a product on the basis of cost plus return on investment in the division. Okay, so cost plus return on investment system is followed. The budget for division A for 1981-82 appears as under. Okay, fixed asset given, current asset, debtors are given. So this is the total investment of that company. Okay, because all are assets, so this is the total investment, that is 5 plus 3 plus 2, 10 lakhs investment is there. Annual fixed cost of the division. Okay, annual fixed cost is given. Variable cost per unit is given. After that budget volume यानी कि number of units is given. Desired rate of return 28%. Determine the transfer price of division A. Transfer price for division A. Very simple and easy question. Okay, first of all, variable cost per unit, which is ready-made given in the question. Okay, that is 10. So variable cost per unit, that is 10. Okay, next is fixed cost per unit. Okay, first of all, fixed cost is rupees 8 lakh. Okay, total fixed cost is rupees 8 lakhs. Okay, लेकिन हम लोग को क्या चाहिए, पर यूनिट चाहिए. तो नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स कितना है, सी बजटेड वॉल्यूम 4 लाख यूनिट्स. सो नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स कितना है, 4 लाख यूनिट्स. सो डिवाइड बाय 4 लाख यूनिट्स. ओके, सो 8 lakh divided by 4 lakh, it comes to rupees 2 per unit. अभी हम लोग को क्या बोला है सिस्टम में, कॉस्ट प्लस रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट, राइट. सो वेरिएबल कॉस्ट हो गया, फिक्स कॉस्ट हो गया, इसका मतलब कॉस्ट का पार्ट हो गया. अभी क्या चाहिए, रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट, राइट. सो रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट इज इन्वेस्टमेंट अमाउंट, 5 plus 3 plus 2, टोटल 10 lakhs. सो फॉर रिटर्न required return per unit, total investment is 10 lakhs, right. 10 lakhs. अभी ये 10 lakhs का कितना परसेंट बोला है, सी डिजायर रेट ऑफ रिटर्न, दैट इज 28%. सो 10 lakh का 28%, सो मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 28%, राइट. सी 10 lakh multiplied by 28%, it comes to 2,80,000. but this is total amount, we want per unit. So divide by number of units, that is 4 lakh units given in the question, which we have used here also. So divide by amount, divide by number of units, it comes to 0.70. See, number of units are given in the question, right. So we have used that and we have calculated required return per unit. So simply we have to take total cost is 10 plus 2, right, and this is required return, so plus 0.7, it comes to 12.7. So total cost or transfer price, okay, or transfer price of that particular division is 12.5, sorry, 12.70, 12.70, right, 12.70, okay. Okay, so here we have completed illustration number 47. If you found this video helpful, then please like the video, do share with your friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more updates, and please check my channel's playlist to get more videos on various topics. Thanks for watching, friends.